Welcome to the off-site lecture halls of PLC University, academic home to the PLC professor, a virtual international institution dedicated to assisting learners to master the world of programmable logic controllers and industrial automation step by step. The world of industrial automation, that just means that we're going to keep adding content until we've covered every aspect of industrial automation, including interfacing robots, sensors, power control, etc. First, a little history very quickly. We began with 3 manuals: Basics, Advanced 1, and Advanced 2. This was using RSLogix 500, the free version, MicroStarter Lite. We used it with MicroLogix 1000 controller. So here we had 3 manuals. We had a 2-disc lecture set that's still available, and each of the lab manuals has a video disc or set that does the discussions and lectures after each lab project, and then of course an information disc. This was the MicroLogix 1000 trainer that we originally started with. We eventually combined those 3 manuals into one manual, the complete PLClearn series, and we changed our format footprint for our trainer to a plastic project box with 6 toggle switches, MicroLogix 1000, and a 24-volt DC power supply. We have a video in one of our playlists on the channel that tells you how to build one of these. If you purchase one from us, you might get any one of a number of different formats. Here's just 2 of them. We also had in the past an electronic version of that manual, a black and white watermarked PDF available for purchase from the bookstore. We have now moved away from that to online courses. However, we are still going to have a PDF available, which is just the basics section of that manual. We also have, but not on the YouTube channel, a hands-on introduction to RSLogix 5000, Volume 1, with the 4-disc set. One of those discs is basically just information, manuals, etc. To that we added Volume 2, more advanced lab projects, also with a 4-disc set. And we have added online courses that you can register for out of the bookstore at PLC University, located at www.plcprofessor.com. And that complete PLClearn series, which is based on that manual, for those of you that don't want to purchase a printed version, you're offshore, and you don't want to pay the postage, you can go to the bookstore at the website and you can register for an online course installed in a cloud-based learning management system. This complete PLClearn series has been converted into 4 individual classes. The first one is a lecture-only series. You do need to watch that one first, or most of it, to decide what kind of a hardware or software platform that you want to do the lab projects with. The lab projects are broken up into Basic, Advanced 1, and Advanced 2. In the future, we actually do have the first volume done here, the Basics. We are going to publish a 4-volume set for RSLogix 5000 for the beginner. Now let me differentiate here for you. The 2 manuals that you saw earlier assume that you already know most of what was in the complete PLClearn series. RS 5000 Volume 1 and Volume 2 start up where the complete PLClearn series finishes. It assumes you already know how to program, but it's introducing you to RSLogix 5000 and some of the amazing features of the Logix engine. This set in front of you will start absolutely from the beginning for the beginner and does not assume that you know PLC programming. Enjoy learning.